Hello YouTube. This is
Brian and Ryan.
and we're making a video. This video is about how to
Stop coughing if you have a cold. Okay.
cough actually.
Okay. First you get a glass of water.
Put in the microwave.
Tap water.
It has to be like tap water.
And then put it in the microwave.
In the
warm
microwave.
It
Put it warm it
for 1 minute.
for 1 minute, and then take it out. Start drinking it, but I think you need to wait till you just be like a little hot.
Yeah, and you need to be drinking it because it will just only like make you not cough a little and take away some of the cough. So you're gonna need to like drink some more, or you can wait till the next day. Okay.
Bye YouTube.
Bye YouTube.
And this has been
Peace.
how to stop coughing. Bye.